Our seventh example today in section 4 comes back to the idea of a percent combination. I wanted to give you a second illustration of percent just as a review so we can kind of work through another percent problem. Here we have Menard's fertilizer and we're mixing two different types, a 20% mixture and a 5% mixture. The varieties are green and yellow. So I'm going to let G equal the amount of 20% mixture, and I'm going to let Y equal the amount by saying that is pounds of 5% mixture. Now if we remember back from the other equation, we have two types of equation. We have our quantity equation, a total of 120 pounds, so that's G plus Y equals 120. And then we have the percent equation. The percent equation was percent times amount plus percent times amount equals percent times total. So percent times G plus percent times Y equals percent of our mixture, 15, times our total. Realizing in the previous one, we took our calculators and we're going to multiply that 15% times 120 and realize that that actually equals the value 18. Once again, if we want to get rid of our cents, we multiply everything by 100. That gives me 20G, 5Y, and 1800. I'm going to drop out the smaller variable, which in this case is Y. So I multiply by negative 5. Negative 5G, negative 5Y, and 120 times negative 5 is negative 600. We're going to add these up using the elimination method. 15G equals 1200. We divide both sides by 15. G equals 1200 divided by 15, or 80 pounds. There's our first answer. We have a total of 120 pounds in our mixture. Therefore, with a very simple reasoning, Y must equal 40. If you need to do that, you can use the first equation. To check this, we're going to use the second equation. 0.20 times 80 plus 0.05 times 40 should equal 18. Let's check that on our calculators. 0.20 times 80, that's 16. 0.05 times 40, that's 2. It does check. So write your answer down. Answer the question. We have 80 pounds of green 20% mixture and 40 pounds of yellow 5% mix. And there we go. So these problems are not difficult to do once you get the hang of it. Remember the key ideas in this problem. Two types of equations. First equation, quantity. Second equation, percent. Multiply by 100 to eliminate your decimals. Multiply by the smaller numbers opposite to eliminate one variable, and solve for both.